Welcome back to my channel English by Nidhi 22. So today we will cover a quick recap of Anglo-Norman period which was lasted from 1066 AD to 1314 AD when the Duke of Normandy, William the Conqueror, attacked and defeated King Harlow II of England. After that so many changes, political, economical, social changes have been happened in the England. So the Duke of Normandy introduced the feudal system in England. After that the power has been decentralized. The king gave power to the nobles gave to the knights. That means the monarchy have been restored and become so powerful in the England. So one of the after that one of the most important changes have been done in the England is that the use of languages. Three type of languages have been used during that time in Anglo-Norman England. So which language used? First is French language used by the church. Sorry, first used by the kings, nobles, and the second is Latin used by the church officials, and the third is English used by the commoners. So after that the French and the English language has been mixed and some French words become so common in the English language. So examples are justice, government, officials, and many more. So the literature have been also sophisticated by under the French influence. The romances, religious themes, and the courtly love, beautiful knights and beautiful ladies quest for their love, Arthurian legends themes have been included in the works of writers. The songs and ballads also include such type of courtly love themes and religious themes. The literature also explored the saint biographies, even some teach moral lessons in the society through their literature or works. The most important works are Sir Gawain and the Great Knight, the Orlum by Orm, and the Pearl Poets, known for patience, pearl, and the cleanness poems. So after that, we know that the Anglo-Norman period really important for the growth of the Middle English, because after that the age of Chaucer, in which Chaucer used the Middle English in his entire in the last ages of his work. So thank you for watching. Hope so you like my video.